Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Prestige Audio AI review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called Prestige Audio AI. So this is the Prestige Audio AI review. Right now we are on the sales page and then we have the demo video which is for 9 minutes long, so you'll have to pay some attention. And starting with the sales page, it says, attention, the audio revolution is here. Get ready for the next wave of innovation. World's first and most advanced all-in-one next generation audio cleaning technology powered by AI to automatically remove noisy backgrounds. Okay, cool. Okay, so this product can't be explained very much because you will have to watch this video for 90 minutes to understand everything. Okay. In shortcut, it can clean the background noises, or it can refine tune your audio. For example, I am recording this YouTube video and in the background, you might be hearing some vehicle noises and all that. So if I use this software probably, then my background noise of this video will be clean and you will only listen to my voice peacefully. Okay. So no matter how much I speak, you will still have to come and watch the watch the demo video and listen to these sample sounds. Okay. So if you want to come to this sales page, you will find a link below my YouTube video. In the description, it will be saying grab Prestige Audio copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page, and scroll down a bit and then you will find that demo video which I was talking about. So let me see, where's the video? Here is it. Okay. So you can scroll the sales page up to maybe 40% and then you will find this video for 9 minutes 21 seconds. Play the video and watch it, because without watching this demo video for 9 minutes, until then you will not understand a thing here. Okay, so just go and watch the demo video. That's the key. And then let's get to the bottom to see what questions do we have. So this product is very specific to a narrow audience, narrow as in micro audience, because you need to be working with this industry, where you refine tune somebody's audio, or you're working in music industry or as a freelancer, or I don't know. Okay, so it's very, very specific to certain people only. Not everybody, I guess, will be using this, and this will cost you $37. But if you use the coupon code which is audio10, then you can get this $10 off as well. Okay, so use the coupon and go and buy this if you want this. So what is Prestige Audio AI? So the world's first and most advanced blah 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 refines automatically enhance audio recordings to perfection for unlimited audio files with just a click. How does it work? Log in online, upload your audio music or file, and then enjoy the exported audio in best quality. Okay. Do you store my files? Not at all. Is this program compatible? Yes. What if I give you the worst audio file on the planet? Can you correct it? Yeah. Will you teach me how to use the app? Of course. How do I make money with it? What kind of useless question is that? The job of... Let me give you an example. The job of the condom is to protect your that thing so that you don't get pregnant. The job of the condom is not to teach you how to do sex. Do you understand? You go and buy the condom for one purpose. After that, the job of the condom is done. Condom don't care did you come or not, or she came or not. Understand? Similarly, the job of the software here is only to fine-tune your music and remove background noise from it. The job of the software is not to make money or give you orgasms. Are we clear? So I don't know why these people have this question here that how do you make money with it, but it's so relevant. The job of the software is to complete a task. That's it. For example, you are watching this sales page on my laptop. So technically right now I am recording this laptop screen of mine using a software which is here in the corner. Okay, so the job of this software which is recording my laptop screen right now is only to record my laptop screen. The job of the software sitting here in the corner is not to make money. How will I make money? That is my work. If I do not come and make this video, if I don't come and sell you something, or if you don't watch my YouTube video or these ads in my video, I don't make money. So the software sitting here doing recording for me makes nothing until and unless I come and do the work, because I am the soul. The software is only plastic or a non-living thing. Understand? I have to emphasize on this because you people are so confused. You keep buying everything in the name of making money online. Okay, I explained to you the job of the condom is to prevent the thingy. The job of the condom is not to make you better in sex. So whether you or her get orgasms or not, that's not what the condom was made for. Similarly, this software was only made to clean up your audios and noises and all that, refine tune. This software got nothing to do with making money. They're not clearing it. I am clearing that for you. Okay, because they want to sell you something so that they can make money. I am the last person who needs your money. Do I have to buy today? Of course, go and buy and sing a song. Do you offer money back guarantee? We don't want your money, but they don't show how many days here. So it says absolutely, but how many days? I don't know. Okay, maybe they might have some days written somewhere. Normally it's 2 weeks. Let's get it. Imagine it's 2 weeks money back guarantee. Okay. So as I said, go and check out the sales page. You will find the link below, and go and watch that demo video which I have shown you before for 9 minutes, somewhere here, 40% down. Here it is. Okay, so go and watch this demo video for 9 minutes before you decide to buy this. Then there are some OTOs as well, which are coming on your screen right now. So this is the front end. This is what you get in front end. Pause and help yourself. And then we have OTO number 1. This is 347 yearly. Help yourself. OTO 2. Help yourself. And OTO 3 coming on your screen right now. Okay, OTO 4 is right here. Help yourself. OTO 5 is this, as if I care of any of this. OTO 6 is this. Are we done? Oh yeah, we are. Almost. Do we have OTO 7? No. 6 OTOs. Check it out. So minimum, I guess it will cost you $27. And if you want the bundle package will cost you more. Okay, so I don't know if you want this or not, but if you want this, you will find the link below. Okay, but don't forget to watch the demo video before you buy, right? Now let's talk about some sensible things. Okay, sensible things mean that this software will not make you money, then what will? Okay, I told you, you work manually like me. As soon you have seen these ads in my YouTube video, my money is made. And if you buy something from me, that will be my bonus. Okay, work, make money. Don't work, you don't make money. Simple. Okay, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy. You gotta say all that when you will come on YouTube next time. Okay, so subscribe, it's free. Like, it's free. Even if you don't like, it's still like, it's a technical requirement. Okay, do that, subscribe and like. And if you want to make money online, then I can leave you my methods which I personally use. This one here, make money on autopilot with forex trading. So you can click on this link, or you can simply copy this, select and copy, and then open it in a new tab. And then that method will teach you this thing. Sorry, I closed that screen. Let me see if I can connect that. Might take extra 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. I'm connecting to my virtual machine. This is another computer somewhere in America. So you can see here, this is my virtual computer which I used to do forex trading in the back end. Okay, so here you can see graph, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. That's what we do. Now in this case, we use a software, and that means we will be installing a software on this graph, and then it will be like buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. That software will do the job, not us. Okay, so more details coming shortly. And the second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is for people who want to work manually on YouTube like me. Make YouTube videos, get your channel monetized. Check out Traffic Jarvis. In the end, Prestige Audio, I don't know who is this for, not for many. Okay, watch the demo video. But if you are here only to make money online, subscribe, like, and check out these methods and watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on Super Thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, This is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.